Hello, everyone. This video is to share our experience on flying a drone. We recently flew our DJI MAVIC Air on Monaco Beach, Kemaman, and we crashed. It was a very windy day. The view was awesome. The ocean was blue. So was the sky. Everything was going smoothly. At this point, it was so windy that there was a warning appeared on the screen. To fly with cautious due to high wind velocity. Our white bird was enjoying the flight, surfing the wind along the beach. Until the wind was too strong, and it brought our bird to the trees. We crashed. Luckily, the drone suffers minor injury. It fell through the branches and finally fell on the soft sand. Fortunately, there was only some sand into the drone. After clearing all the sand, the drone is okay and ready for the next flight. Thank you. See you all next time.